Eko Atlantic City is a planned city being constructed on reclaimed land adjacent to Victoria Island in Lagos State, Nigeria. The city is being built to reduce the chronic shortage of real estate in Lagos State and to serve as a model for environmentally sustainable urban development in Africa. The idea for Eko Atlantic City was first proposed in 2003 and the reclamation process began in 2008. The city is being built in phases, with the first phase of construction completed in 2013. The completed city will cover an area of approximately 10 square kilometers and will include commercial, residential, and recreational areas. One of the key features of Eko Atlantic City is its extensive seawall, which is designed to protect the city from the rising sea levels and store surges. The city is also being built with a number of sustainable features, including renewable energy system and green spaces. At completion, the city is projected to house about 250,000 people and provide about 400,000 jobs. This new city have moved from a visionary design concept into a technological reality. Various infrastructural roadworks and underground surface drainage pipes are already laid along major roads across the new city. All bridges in phase 1 and phase 2 of the project have been completed. 40 years after the city launch in 2009, the city still seems to be empty. Now the question is, why is Eko Atlantic City empty? So guys, if you want to find out, make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment in the comment section. Lots of investors are currently moving to be a part of what this new city has to offer them. First, the city contains an efficient independent infrastructural facility, and also it has an independent water supply. The city is supposed to have an independent water treatment and supply, a subterranean infrastructure, a dedicated business district, a two Yanti marinas connected by an internal canal, a close proximity to schools, hospitals, shopping, and recreation. The city is supposed to have a city-wide maintenance and management, and it's supposed to be operating in a designated free zone, a well-planned road network, and city-wide fiber optic network. In addition to the ones mentioned, Eko Atlantic is going to be the new financial capital of West Africa with a dedicated 700,000 square meters business district and offering businesses the advantage of operating in a designated free zone. Residents and businesses have already begun moving into two completed towers. A further level towers are other construction throughout the city by various developers. The Eko Atlantic City contains projects such as the Azuri Peninsula. The Azuri Peninsula is a new mixed-use development situated in the Marina district, which comprises of luxury residents, offices, and retail. It contains another project, the Eko Energy Project. The Eko Energy City is West Africa's most ambitious vision of urban living. It's a project featuring residential, commercial, and leisure area, all seamlessly integrated into a single development. Then they have the Eco Pet Tower. The Eco Pet Tower comprises 5 residential skyscrapers, all ranging from 24 to 33 floors. Each tower has its own identity and color, highlighting the slight difference in their design and outer structure, yet preserving the same state of art infrastructure and luxurious touch. It is a well-known fact that the Eko Atlantic project is a project meant for the super rich, with an apartment in the city going for as high as $1.3 million per annum. Imagine how many low-income and average Nigerians can afford that. Also, a plot of land in the city is said to cost as high as $250,000 to purchase. As a high-end real estate development in Lagos, Nigeria, that is designed to be a modern, sustainable, and secure urban center, there are various reasons why Eko Atlantic City is quite expensive. Number one is due to the prime location. The city is located on the Atlantic Ocean, which is adjacent to Victoria Island, which is a prime residential and commercial district in Lagos. Being in such location increases the cost of real estate. On number two is its world-class infrastructure. The developers of Eko Atlantic City have invested heavily in the infrastructure of the city. This includes a state-of-the-art drainage system, 24 hours power supply, and a dedicated water system. The infrastructure in Eko Atlantic City is designed to meet the needs of a modern and affluent community, and this level of infrastructure comes at a premium. Next is security. The city is designed to be a secure and safe urban center. It has a 24-hour security system, including CCTV cameras and manned security personnel. This level of security requires a significant investment, which is reflected in the cost of living in the city. On number 4 is its high-end amenities. The city is designed to offer its residents a high-end lifestyle. This includes luxury apartments, penthouses and villas, as well as high-end shopping centers, restaurants and recreational facilities. These amenities come at a premium, which adds to the cost of living in the city. Lastly is sustainable development. Eko Atlantic City is designed to be a sustainable development. The city has a green energy system, which includes solar and wind power, and a waste management system that recycles waste into energy. These sustainable features required a significant investment, which contributes to the overall cost of the city. Eko Atlantic City is definitely an attractive place to live for those who can afford it. The Eko Atlantic City project have faced criticism from environmental groups regarding its potential impact on the marine ecosystem and the long-term sustainability of the project. The land reclamation process involves altering the natural environment, which can have significant consequences for the local ecosystem and wildlife. In response to these concerns, the developers of Eko Atlantic City have stated that they are committed to mitigating any negative environmental impact of the project. They have implemented measures such as building a breakwater to prevent coastal erosion, creating artificial reefs to promote marine life, and implementing a state-of-the-art drainage system to prevent flooding. The developers have also emphasized the use of sustainable practice in the construction and maintenance of the city. They have committed to using renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to power the city, and have implemented measures to reduce water consumption and waste generation. Eko Atlantic City is still a work in progress, but have made significant efforts towards becoming a new center of economic and commercial activity in Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and do wait to leave your comment in the comment section. Hope you find this video quite informative. Bye.